me to feel no type of way. Some of y'all are gonna like it. I don't know, but right now, you guys saw the last video. We put the downpipe. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. You already know. But we put the downpipe. It's pretty loud. I like it. The one thing I'm gonna miss for sure is the fucking pops. The pops are, oh my god, they sound so nice. They're like a cool little pop. You know what I mean? Like, I fuck with it, but I have a muffler. It's gonna. I hope it doesn't quiet it down to like silent, like not even an exhaust. It probably will. We'll see though. But before we do that, I'm gonna like just do a little like POV drive type shit, like some sound clips, drive-bys, whatever, just so you guys can get a feel for the straight pipe, what it sounds like. And if I ever want to just hear it again, I can just come back, watch the video. You already know, and it'll be chilling, you know. But we're gonna do that for you guys, and then after that, I'm gonna put the muffler on, and we'll see how it sounds. We'll see how it sounds. But if you're new, boys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to it. GTA 5 be like. Boys, that pop was insane, bruh. That pop was insane, bruh. Oh no, I'm gonna miss this shit. I'm gonna miss this shit. Oh, I don't know if y'all heard that shit, but I think Visa got that too on the outside, so. Oh shit, bro, that shit was cool.
fucking sky.
It's nice, huh?
Yes.
I was like, with my girlfriend, I was like, go to the park.
Yeah, let's get it.
Go to the park. I was gonna get some aloe vera drinks. She's gonna bring some like smooth shit.
Yeah, get up with it.
Hell yeah, hell yeah,
Hey,
hell yeah.
Ramon's going crazy too.
On me, on me. That's good. That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
Oh shit. That's like the crazy. I like those turns because those are like
Crazy, yeah.
That's the hardest I think I've ever like tried to do it. Anyways, too. Nothing too crazy, just a little casual.
Some slide, some slide.
Yeah, just some fun shit, you know.
Oh yeah.
Boy, if you don't, I have like the little adrenaline rush.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, that's just cool. That's just cool. And the weather's nice.
Oh me, nigga. It's just a good day, nigga.
It's just cool, yeah. It's just fucking
cool little some slide.
Hell yeah. Bring my girl out here. This spot, I'm only gonna bring a girl that I actually fuck with heavy, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah. Guys, I don't have a girl. I don't have a girl. It's just a meme. It's just for the meme, you know?
He always says he has a girl. Oh, I do know why, but
Why?
it's because of the girl at work.
Well, yeah, but like I just say she's my girl,
like
but I
a
fuck with
meme,
her.
you feel me? Like
I always just say I have a girlfriend just to say it, just for the meme, you know.
yeah, I feel it. I feel
But
it.
like I'll only bring a girl like that I fuck with heavy for sure out here. Maybe like that special location, you know.
I feel it. I feel it.
Just casual stuff. Cause look, it looks nice right here, bro. Oh look, it's all green now.
And there's actually water in it too.
Yeah.
Not dried up. There's people out here.
Really? Where?
It's
That
just a prank, bro. It's just a prank. That was a clean one. That was a clean one.
I know I wouldn't tell you guys, but it wasn't a muffler. I think it was a resonator.
Yeah, resonator.
But Misa's definitely sad about it. But I feel like
sad. I'm not sad, but I want to see how it. Wait, nigga! Don't even get excited. Don't even get excited.
Wait.
Y'all heard this fool? Y'all heard this
Wait.
fool? He's already getting his fucking panties in a twist right now.
That sounds hella nice.
Oh yeah, that sounds cool. That sounds cool. Oh yeah, it's cool. It doesn't can't
so quiet,
you can't hear the you feel me? The little. It's cool. I like it. I like it. Pops?
It still pops a low key amount.
I feel like maybe if it adjusts to itself.
Probably tomorrow's gonna be
Yep. A little bit more pops. Damn, it's kind of quiet though.
It's so quiet. What the fuck?
It sounds good though. It sounds good. Not gonna lie.
Yo, that's dead quiet though. Like too quiet almost. No.
Nah, it's good. It's good. I feel like it's good. It's good right there.
Oh shit. And dude, and imagine I put the muffler.
That's what I'm saying, nigga. That's what I'm saying.
That
You
fool
see?
came in clutch. That
You
fool came
see?
in clutch. That fool came in clutch.
If I'm not, dude, I feel like I should just do the resonators then.
But yours is different too. You gotta remember. I like how it sounds right here though.
Yeah, it doesn't sound too much. Yup, I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that.
Probably tomorrow get a little bit louder, a little bit rowdy.
Some slight, yup.
Yeah. It still pops.
Slight pops.
Dude, they sound muted.
I know they
The
do.
pops sound muted, like someone fucking turned down the volume.
Like they put a towel over them.
Yeah. It feels, I like it though, I like it, I like it. Because it's more like casual, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's clean, that's clean. What?
Some slight. No,
Police?
No, nothing.
It's policeman?
No.
What?
Nothing, nigga. Damn. Niggas tripping for no reason. He got his resonators and he's still tripping. Let's get him. Let me see.
Oh,
Give it a little rev. Give it a little rev.
Cool.
Some slide. Some slide. Some slide.
It's because I like it because it's more like casual.
Yeah,
you know?
more mellow. More mellow. Like
mellow.
you said. Yeah, it does. It's cool. It's cool.
Boys, this is not the end though. I'm gonna be just messing around with the exhaust system throughout like the next couple whatever.
To get the perfect exhaust setup.
Exactly. But for now, like, cause it was too loud and it was too raspy, first of all. And like now I can just be like, 20 roll.
We're in Mexico, by the way. If we didn't say anything, we're in Mexico.
Oh shit, nigga! Move, bro, move. No, that actually sounds nice. That actually sounded nice. I fuck with it. I fuck with it.
Yo. Off the start off, some slight.
And it sounds way better than the rest, in my opinion. And
In my opinion, it sounded like Rattle Can when it had the rest. When it got to that point.
yo, look who's talking. Look who's talking. Let me know what you guys think though. I mean, it's quieter, which I like, but it's also
Too quiet? Question mark?
a little too quiet for my, I don't know. We'll see though. I'm gonna be messing around with it. Hopefully get the perfect tone, I guess. But for now, it'll do, you know. For now, it will do. The ads right here.